Now let's move on to the Mobvoi earbuds gesture. Now these are TWS earbuds. Most of the things that you want from TWS earbuds are in it. Nice case, pretty good battery life, look pretty good, sound is not bad at all. But remember the name, Mobvoi earbuds gesture. So the big USP, the selling point in this is that they've actually built in gestures. You want to take a call, nod your head. You don't want to take a call, just kind of nod your head the other way. The part that we thought was good, and again maybe something that you may get a little tired of, is the fact that everything you do has to be a little exaggerated. So a subtle nod of your head doesn't really work. You have to be pretty aggressive about it, which is also good. Therefore, you're not triggering things off even without trying to. Like, you could be watching a movie and you could be nodding because, you really agree with things that are happening on screen, and that could then trigger off some kind of a command. But mostly we thought that the best part would be if you just kind of turn off the gestures.
When it comes to audio products, the true wireless category is making the most noise. Between all of this, Mobvoi has introduced a new set of TWS buds dubbed as Earbuds Gesture. The latest addition to the TWS segment, these buds promise to combine great audio quality with a dash of tick motion AI features. But are they any good? Let's find out. The latest earbuds by Mobvoi are bundled with a capsule-shaped case. The ergonomics of this charging case is user-friendly. It is lightweight and easy to carry around. The sleek design adds on to the mobility since it easily fits into a pocket. There are also LED indicators on the case that denote the battery life and the connectivity status of the earbuds. But it's not just the case that is well designed, the earbuds themselves are sleek. Also, once they've been put on, they look great and they sit comfortably in the ears. It's time to crank up the volume on some of our favorite songs and find out if these buds sound as good as they look. Supporting Bluetooth 5.0, these TWS buds connected with our smartphone in a snap, which is definitely impressive. To add some more convenience, these earbuds can be used independently, a feature we hope to see in more TWS products down the line. Tuning into our first track, the earbuds felt relatively louder than the products that we featured before, but we're not complaining. The sound output was crisp and we enjoyed listening to multiple tracks across different genres. While a lot of earbuds lag behind when it comes to adding a solid bass to the soundtracks, the Mobvoi earbuds gesture did a decent job in packing a punch to the music we played. Now, we were impressed with the sound quality, but it was the controls that had us confused. There is a preset of touch gestures loaded on these earbuds, like double tap to play and pause a song, triple tap on the left earbud to go to the previous track, and on the right bud to play the next track. These gestures are good once you get used to it, but initially it is a task to remember these commands. Surprisingly, these buds can be configured with the Mobvoi app, and yet we don't get to see an option where we can customize these gestures or tune the audio output according to our requirement, something that will put the user off. This gesture conundrum followed us when it came to taking calls with these buds as well. There are head gestures available, like a nod or a head shake to pick up and cut the calls. The problem here is that a subtle nod or head shake won't do the job. We had to make an effort for the gestures to work, which got annoying. Thankfully, these gestures can be turned off from the app, something we feel the majority of the users will do. Once the head gestures were out of the way, we could focus on the call quality on offer. With dual mic noise cancellation on board, the communication was clear without a snag. Talking about the battery life, while the buds by themselves last around 10 hours, the charging case with its 600 mAh capacity adds another 50 hours to the life cycle. Thanks to this combination, we put the cord on these only once in over a week of our testing. And it's time to wrap up our review. While the earbuds do come with a complicated setup of gestures, the audio output is indeed great. Combined together with an amazing battery life, they become a viable option. At 6,999 rupees, the Mobvoi earbuds gesture can be on your radar if you're looking for a neat pair of TWS earbuds.